Galaxy S25 introduces the most intuitive, the most natural, the most personalized Galaxy experiences ever. It understands not only your commands, but also your intentions.
How does Galaxy AI anticipate what I need and when I need it? Meet Personal Data Engine. The Personal Data Engine organizes information into a knowledge graph tailored to you by understanding your context, preferences, and routines. One UI 7 is designed for the era of mobile AI. It's seamlessly integrated into the core of the operating system so that features, services, and interactions across apps speak the same language, delivering a more fluid and personalized experience across multiple contexts. For instance, AI Select conveniently recommends AI features based on what's on your screen. If you're looking at text, Generative Writing Assist provides a full menu of AI writing tools. You can choose to summarize, check for spelling or grammar, or edit the tone. It'll even propose formatting options, asking if you'd like to bulletize a list or turn it to an easy-to-read table, instantly converting the message into the format that you choose. For images, One UI 7 provides AI-based visual experiences to help you create and edit. So if you're looking at a photo that a friend sent, Drawing Assist will suggest edits or generate images for you to send back directly from your screen and without having to open any additional apps. With One UI 7 and Galaxy S25, you can even talk to your phone like you would in a conversation, whether it's navigating on-screen content or fine-tuning your settings. You can now simply talk to your Galaxy S25 like you would to another person to complete tasks that once required multiple steps. For example, if I ask my Galaxy S25 to find a photo of Max from last winter in a red coat eating cake, our large language model breaks down the question to the time period, main subject, and details. So for this specific photo, my gallery app will narrow down to the search to last winter, then look for photos of Max within that time period. Then, using our vision language model, it'll pull up the most relevant photos that satisfy in a red coat eating cake. With natural language models built in, the Galaxy S25 series delivers true multimodality: touch, gesture, type, and voice. This is a dramatic transformation in how you interact with your device. Last year, on this very stage with Google, we unveiled Circle to Search, a powerful way to search anything your screen without switching apps. Ever since, Circle to Search has expanded across Galaxy phones, tablets, and foldables, and continues to add new capabilities, like one-tap actions based on contextual understanding. Circle to Search can now automatically identify if there's a phone number, email address, or URL, even as part of an image, and understand that you may want to make a call, send an email, or open a website. Now with AI overviews, it delivers quick and helpful search results using generative AI, making it easier to explore memes, art, and gadgets with a single gesture.
Gemini Live on Galaxy S25 offers a glimpse into the future of AI agents that understand what you see and what you say. Multimodal AI will transform how we interact with all our devices, with smartphones and wearables, to new form factors like multifold and XR devices. As we announced with Google in December, we're co-developing the Android XR ecosystem, working hand in hand to define the operating system, user interface, and hardware. These upcoming XR devices with multimodal AI will change how we interact with the physical and virtual worlds. Interactions will be more natural and intuitive, and we can't wait to share more details later this year.
We're offering our most advanced performance ever on the Galaxy S25 series. We teamed up with Qualcomm Technologies on the Snapdragon 8 Elite for Galaxy, a customized AP engineered to unleash unparalleled mobile performance. This integrated powerhouse ensures quicker load times, faster app execution speeds, and smoother graphic rendering. Galaxy S25's display takes that fluidity even further, with ProScaler leveraging AI-based algorithmic processing to reduce noise and enhance every image and video on screen. Now, even in HD Plus or FHD Plus modes, you'll be able to enjoy high-definition content with sharp, lifelike details. ProScaler intelligently boosts image quality by up to 40% compared to the previous S series. All three Galaxy S25 models, Base, Plus, and Ultra, support up to 120 Hz refresh rate, so you'll see smooth motion on whichever device is right for you. The Galaxy S25 series is engineered to deliver hyper-realistic, ultra-smooth gameplay, powered by Vulkan optimizations. It minimizes CPU and GPU load, improving the FPS by up to 18%. We're proud to say that we've packed all this powerful performance into a slimmer, sleeker form factor.
Today, we're excited to provide you with more depth and control in your photos with virtual Aperture, which uses advanced software to deliver an experience once exclusive to professional cameras. In one simple movement, you can widen the aperture to add dimension, or narrow the aperture to capture the foreground and background in sharp detail, creating a powerful photo that brings everything together. And if you'd like to create a certain mood, the Galaxy S25 series features stunning filters developed using deep learning from film camera photography. Galaxy S25 even lets you create your own custom look, inspired by any photo you love. Advanced AI in the Galaxy S25 recognizes the color tone, saturation, and brightness in the selected photo, then creates a personal filter for you to use. From there, you can fine-tune the look of your photo by adjusting contrast, saturation, and more until it matches your creative vision. Of course, getting that perfect shot is all about timing. With Galaxy S25, AI can analyze each frame of motion photos to identify and recommend everyone's best look. You can pick a face where their eyes are open. Now everyone's got their best shot. With the upgraded AP, we're bringing unrivaled nightography to videos. When filming a video, Galaxy S25 can now precisely detect moving and stationary subjects and apply the best noise reduction for each, capturing clear video even in low light.
A home is so much more than the devices in it. It's about the people and pets that you love. That's the heart of Galaxy AI and SmartThings. And that makes it easier to support the loved ones in your home through automation and personalized routines, even when you're away. If you're a pet parent, you've probably wondered about what your pets are doing when you're not home. With SmartThings, you can check in on your pets when you're away. If they seem lonely or bored, you can even keep them company by turning on their favorite channel. SmartThings will also help you look after your pet's well-being, offering insights into their activity and overall wellness. We're actively collaborating on pet healthcare services, and we're excited to announce that pre-vet consultations will be available soon in the United States. So you'll be able to ask a vet questions about your pet's health and get answers based on your pet's health records. We know that taking good care of yourself, your home, and your loved ones requires energy. To help lessen the load, SmartThings provides meaningful insights to help you conserve energy. By leveraging AI to analyze data from your connected devices and comparing your monthly energy usage, SmartThings will be able to help you manage your home energy consumption, suggesting actionable energy-saving options in an easy, insightful way.
Just when you think you've seen it all, the show isn't over. A culmination of our most innovative technology, packed into a form that's sleek, powerful, and unlike anything you've seen before. Introducing Galaxy S25 Edge.